What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. It is January 2020, you guys. I'm on my front porch just looking at flowers. Why are my spring flowers coming up? And I can't say mine because these were pre-planted before I got here, you guys. The house I live in now, no one lived here for a while. And their flowers are still coming back every year, so they must be annuals. But this is a flower right at the front porch, and it showed up a couple of days ago. Maybe you guys might know what it is. I do not, but it's beautiful. But just want to give you a guys of how the weather is acting really not normal. The plants think it's spring. You see these? Look, y'all. Got bulbs. This is January, the middle of January in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. And you guys, why are these coming up right now? I just don't know. And they're everywhere. They're everywhere. This is my first January in this home. So I'm just wondering what's going on, you guys. I don't know. But as you can see, things are just popping out of the ground in January. And we've been having 70-degree weather, almost 80. So just wanted to give you guys an update. You never know. When you're growing stuff, things could change. You never know. Mother Nature, she has no schedule, okay? And the man upstairs, he has no schedule. Alright? So live, love, laugh. Grow stuff, you guys, and eat it. But don't eat your flowers. Some of them may be poisonous. I love you guys. Click like and subscribe. Take care. Be blessed.